Now, the same concept applies to all the Import Series CVTF. Again, this line of fluids is limited to the most popular, but will still support about 70% of the import CVT fluid applications. As you can see in the picture, the color of the model type is the same as the fluid coloration for easy identification. One of the important benefits of the Import Series CVT fluid is that they are all very price competitive. The ENEOS CVTF Model H is for Honda Acura HCF2 applications and one of the most popular products in the Honda CVTF lineup. This is an orange fluid as shown in the coloration of the Model H name. The most popular fluid by far is the ENEOS Model N Plus for Nissan NS3 applications dating back to 2013. Although blue in color, this fluid is fully backwards compatible with the older NS2 green fluid. ENEOS Model S CVT fluid is engineered specifically for Subaru vehicles that require Subaru CVTF2 fluid. Formulated with select high-quality base oils combined with unique additives, the Model S will provide outstanding compatibility with your Subaru vehicles. ENEOS Model TFE is for all Toyota Lexus CVT applications requiring CVTF FE fluid. Toyota CVT applications are growing rapidly, making this red CVT fluid very popular. For all Import Series CVTFs, the specific fluid compatibility is listed on the back label of each product. Just as I mentioned with Import Series ATF, all CVTF products are extremely price competitive in the marketplace. The advanced technology used to develop factory-fill fluids for Asian OEMs is utilized to blend the following ENEOS products: the ECO Series transmission fluids, the fully synthetic motor oils, the Import Series transmission fluids, and finally the Racing Series.